Hello everyone. Under the series of Excel tips and tricks, today I am going to explain about the option called consolidation in Excel sheet. So this helps to consolidate the different worksheets data wherever there is a update of individual sheet tabs. Then we can update the sheet tabs to consolidate with this trick. So how this functions is I will show you with an example. So we should have a data sets either in the same worksheet or a workbook, or it may be a different workbooks. So to give you a specific example, I will be showing this. This is my data set where we have a database called students and there are marks which is obtained under the professional assessment PA1. So in the same way, I have a data which is like in professional assessment 2, the same candidates of students which got marks obtained in this database. So if I want to use the consolidation option, the main thing that you have to remember is that your ID number or any column which is a first column should be unique. Okay, you should remember this before using this consolidation option. So let me show you how to use it. So I have a data now, and I'm going to the data option in the menu, and I'm going to click on this consolidated button. And one more thing before I'm going to choose, there is a different functions that we can use for this consolidate. Either you can add, count, average, and maximize. This kind of a things you can do it. Let me show you an example with sum function now. So I want to add that database of data PA1. Next, I'll be clicking add button. Now I'm going back to PA2. I'm adding this database as well. Click here and adding this. So I have two databases already. Okay. Now I'm going to use this in the data exercise. I want to consolidate these two sheets data. So I'm clicking top row and left column, and I'm not clicking this click create links to source data. I'm just clicking these two only, just want to show you what happens now. So I'm just clicking OK. Now these ID numbers got and student names got not added because it's a text format that it cannot do any consolidated function here. So we need to do a VLOOKUP or from the master data so that you can get these names. And this is the consolidation happens as a sum function. If you have a data for 103 who is a student name 103, 325 and 103 again 325, it got added here as a 650. So this is called a consolidation function. So another thing which I want to show it to you all is that the consolidation. Now what I'm trying to do is there is a something called create link to the source data. If I click this link, what happens? Let's see. Wow. Now if you see this database has been created as per the links. If you click on this two, so I have a data in this workbook which is from I got from data PA1 and PA2 which is 325, 325 which is 650. And again, if you want to go back to that links also, it will be easy for you. What you can do is just control and square bracket, you can go there. And if you want to come back to the original source, just press F5 and click OK. It will go to the original source. So what is my previous used cell that you can go back that way through using F5 key. So this is the another way of linking and seeing this data. And in the top section, you don't see any formulas here, just a summarized way of totaling here. So let me click one here, though this is the summarized version, sum total of that two data sets. Now this is the one thing, and just want to add you and one more point for your reference is that if you click on this consolidate, there is something called browse option here, which is used for the external workbooks, which is having a data sets like this. Okay, that was the purpose of that browse option. And if I want to give you an example kind of a thing, then you can use having the data sets like Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, like that you have a data, or you have yearly data like January to February. You have having a different worksheets containing 2021, 2022, 2023, and you want to consolidate and see a summarized version. Whenever you update the data change in the any of the data sets, it can simply be changed uh, in our original consolidation sheet as well. Now if you see, there is 103 record has been automatically updated with 775. Whenever the individual sheet tabs got changed, then automatically because of the consolidation function, these also can be updated automatically. It's just a formula, but again, uh, rather than you do manually linking is equal to and plus 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 something like that, or you will be linking some formula. It's a consolidation function is something like it can be done different functions for you at the same time with a different data sets which is of similar nature. So hope this technique will be useful for you all, and thanks for watching my video.